You've also know YouTube. This is a unboxing official. Today we got a real Wahl cordless detailer replica, and this is Cronier model number CR9250. This is really Wahl cordless detailer lookalike replica. On the body of the box, nothing really written about this trimmer, so I guess we're gonna open it. This trimmer got 1400 milliamp and charging time 3 hours, using time 2.5 hours. First of all, we got the manual, charging cable, 1, 2, 3 guards, little brush. Here is it. It's longer than the other replica, and this one is more like Wahl cordless detailer, and I really like when their logo is written here, Cronier. And for me, I feel this is a Russian trimmer, because it's all written in Russian language, So it's not a USB Type-C charging, so not really much. And let's make a sound check. And the blade, it's not a T-wide blade. I guess it won't fit, because here I got T-wide blade, and you see that it won't fit. So if maybe the hose will fit, it will be okay. So let's open it and see if maybe it will fit. But the cutting blade will fit. The good thing, it can be zero gap. That's really, really good. So let's sharpen the blade. And I have to say, I have sharpened it, the stock blade, and it's really sharp now. You don't need a extra T-wide blade, anymore. It won't fit either, but still, when you sharpen it, it will be really, really good, because you will be able to zero gap it. You got the option to be zero gap. So for me, it's a good trimmer for me. So now let's see.
Quando ma fenoriere e che ni pote agima quando ma fenoriere okona e che ni pote agima e wala quando ma fenoriere okona
For me, it's not bad.
agima e wala Eva na minna fick vad jag tecken och konkurs. Eva na minna till mig går tecken och vänder. Eva kan na minna via det är så bo. Eva kan na minna gaya kan ni gå det phone. Eva kan na minna ka given na. Eva kan na minna sån tecken och la.